Good morning! Pajamas pa kami. Today we're gonna unbox our new coffee machine. Siemens Eq.300. So, samahan niyo kami guys. Let's unbox!
Also das ist Touchscreen da oben. So.
So while my husband is reading the manual, so I will help clean the milk frother spout. This is the milk frother spout.
Zeit einstellen, wann die Maschine sich, wo die Zeit würde ich lassen, nach 30 Minuten schaltet sie sich automatisch ab. Okay.
Okay. So we are now going to set the machine and we are going to choose what language. So it's either English or German. What language you want. So my husband will natürlich deutsche Sprache.
Ja.
Siyempre, German language ang pipiliin niya.
Will nicht?
Ako na mag-a-adjust. Okay. Das ist schon Deutsch, ne? Okay.
Wassertank leer.
The water tank is empty, so we need to add water and after the beans. To put water dito sa container na to. So we're going to put water here. So it does a quick clean.
Cleaning.
Okay. So before we use the machine, we have to clean it first. So it's automatic.
Ja.
Oh. So the cleaning water goes into the drip tray, which can be easily removed. So as can the grounds catcher. So pro tip, leave an empty cup under the spout all the time unless you are making coffee. Velen. You have to choose what you want, but we have to put first the beans here, the coffee beans. See, it's already clean. Sean?
Ja.
Okay, then we have here Jacobs. Okay. There
Okay.
you are.
Voila.
Voila. Want your glass? Okay.
So.
Nog nicht, weil du hast noch nicht gewählt. Oder? Hey, ja.
Also,
So it's a slightly longer coffee, but it's really great. Also, the water tank seems to do about 6 cups or so. Yes. Schon voll. So, with chocolate.
yeah.
So we have here coffee cream, coffee and cream with choco
Syrup.
syrup.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. We have to listen to read first the manual, and then next time I'm going to show you espresso, how to make espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and
Kaffeecreme.
coffee crema. And another pro tip, guys, leave an empty cup under the spout all the time unless you are making coffee. So this catches the water from the cleaning cycle and means you don't have to empty the drip tray all the time. So what I love about this coffee machine is it does a quick clean and it then does another clean on shutdown. So a coffee with steamed milk takes about a minute. You need to manually rinse the milk spout, but that only takes 10 seconds. So it was really a great choice. Not only is there less cleaning, but the coffee and froth is excellent. Couldn't be happier because we spent 389 euros from 699 euros. Thanks for watching. Beautiful people, see you on my next video. God bless everyone.